if you just stumble across the channel, it's probably because somebody hit that like button before. And for those of you who hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? Just been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team, true vets. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. No. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted, fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, SOS, oh. Please fill my cup.
Damn, feeling lucky. How about more streets? Us two in these streets. Diamonds on my feet. Caught up in these talks. Circling my head top. Should've been more cautious. Now I got what I wanted. Many I've been here before. Made it out of 11 more. Like my phone CoinEx. So I can't stop, I want it all. Listen up, I'm calling you. I need you to tell the truth. Remember when you wanted to. Remember that I said was you. Turn around, eat your greens. When you fight, but you do be clean. Then you come to the bed and you love real dirty. Everybody sweater drops, you're real keen. Bring let me get your juiciest piece. Can't remember when I had to say please. The shops of the club never had no boundary. How's it gonna be? Wanna eat these centipedes? Where we gonna go? You're gonna need these calories. Giving me a treat to refill these batteries. Then you only them on your knees, there's no way to dream. Ooh, it's sneaking up on you. There's nothing you can do. There's things about the boo. Sneaking up on you, there's nothing you can do. There's things about the boom. I lose control when you do it like that. Ain't got you love when I go mad. Got you at the perfect time. I was watching it. You know what you want to do, but I can never be.
Check 1 2 1 2. Buenos tardes, mis perros, mis compadres. Un momento, por favor. ¿Ya listo? Vámonos. Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto Charts with Road Dogg. My name is Lane and I am your captain tonight. Oh, wrong cat. Oh. On the Village Idiot tonight. Hello. Taking a look at a 4-letter word that you need to put in your life. A lot of them you need out of your life. This one you need in your life. If you want one of the safest wallets around, have an NFC phone, and want to save 10%. That is for you, right there, my friend, right there. Dog. Use it on the app or use it on the website. Get the card, the wallet. Ow! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How we feeling today on a Friday evening? January 26th, 2024, 11:06 p.m. Shout out, we got Straggett in the house. We got One Hit Quitter. One Hit Quitter don't have one of those. Gotta work on that. And we got Dave P. How's it going, Dave? Glad to have you guys here hanging out. As we take a look at the crypto market. Here on the weekly top 100, bubbles are mostly in the green, surprisingly. Ooh, monthly, we took a hit, didn't we? There's some strong ones in there. Hex and Pulse. Go figure. Today turned out to be pretty strong. Take a quick look at Bitcoin. Zoom me out. Daily chart price was down here bouncing off the 100. Got back above the 9. That is a fantastic first start. Fantastic. Awesome. Hey, that is worthy. I believe that is worthy of applause. That is a notable accomplishment. Because otherwise, the only option would have been just down. That's not so great. We're not out of the woods yet. My humble personal opinion, we are in a possible bearish retest of this trend line, which is good for short term. How crazy is it that they pick a Friday to pump up price? As if the weekend could sustain it? To me, that smells like a test. That smells like a test. Or a trick. You tell me, what do you guys think? Let's zoom out. That's just too good to be true is what it is. Maybe. I don't know. It's a Trojan horse. They're trying to fool you. Well, we got all kinds of guesses going on, don't we? 2-week chart here. Pumped us out of a red Ichimoku cloud. Can you guys see that? That's good. That's not bad. Got a little green over here. I like that, actually. Still, you know, I've talked about this ad nauseum, about this rising wedge up into the upside. Downside is this big old wick we got there, and, you know, not horrible, but, you know, that's a lot of sell pressure right there. I'm overall looking for us to come back with the possibility to touch down somewhere. I don't know about, oh gosh, if I go by this one, I got to really lower the standards. I'm not going to do that. We'll just back that button up. Reverse. 2 week. We've also got the 9 moving average down here. We could come down 37. I'm looking at a good possibility for that to be still on the table. Kind of made that clear. I hope I made it clear in the video earlier today. But there's a lot of bullishness popping up on YouTube and sentiment. I haven't really checked Twitter, but I don't hang out on Twitter very much. And it's okay to be bullish. It's surprising that they would do this on a Friday. So in my personal opinion, I think this is really, I think the market makers are trying to test the weekend for retail. That's what I think. But how this normally plays out, how it should play out, what standardly normally does happen is you come up here, retouch this area of the trend line, the area of the breakout area. So we're somewhere right around 42,000, maybe even on up to 42.5, 42.6, 42.8 even. We'll need to pay attention to the candles when they get up there, because that could help us out a lot. But expect a lot of sell pressure there and then be driven down, possibly back down to 38.4. And then the trend line I'm looking for. That's kind of what I'm seeing to actually play out here. And who knows, this may be our A, B, C, and then we start our 5 wave up again for all the Elliott people out there. Actually, that's exactly what Elliott is saying right here. We're coming back up here. He says it's already done. He doesn't know. Elliott's. And then we come down for a C. Elliott's very, very bearish for a C. I've noticed that lots of Elliott wave people are kind of bearish, though. Have you ever noticed? Nothing against Elliott wave. It's just not my job, baby. But I do like to kind of check in on the basics of it, just to kind of make sure maybe I'm not missing something. Maybe rearrange my head for the game. So I'm always open to other suggestions and ideas, but not too much. So that's my take, and I could be 100% wrong. Our other alternative, though, is pretty bullish, though. If they do come back up here past this trend line, it may not even retest. It may just keep on going. Be aware of that. All right, be aware of that. But the signs are saying more than likely that, especially when you don't remember or when you don't forget that, hey man, bigger time frames, they're saying, hey, we need to chill out just a little bit. Gotta chill. So if they're saying to chill just a little, I wouldn't expect that the smaller time frames would just be ready to race too hot and too heavy at the moment. That's my take anyway. What's this got to do with my altcoins? Well, your altcoins are kind of in limbo right now, just to be honest with you, because it all depends on whatever Bitcoin does. That's just the name of the game. Tether Dominus is doing some crazy stuff, man. I don't know. She's coming down doing this little jiggly thing. Looks like she's trying to establish a bottom before she goes up. If she goes up, that's generally not good for crypto overall. Generally. Unless it's a bunch of fresh money printing out some Tether. That I like. I like that idea a lot. Checking over the chat real quick. Make sure, don't have anything up on the screen. Can't believe I did that again today. So tonight before the show, I shrunk it down a little bit. So that way, if I do leave it up, maybe at least won't hide every dang thing. Oh, now we got another one. I have to have that one up big. That's the Wall Street cheat sheet, and it's so small I can't see it. But how the hope, optimism, belief stages, those are coming. Those are the fun stages. That's when you can throw money at anything in here and it just goes up. It's a wonderful window. That is full on bull market. We're not there yet. You'll know when we get there. Because you're the freaking genius. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And you get to feel that way for a while. Until that one day that they just slap you on your butt and you're like, I really don't know what I'm doing right now, do I? With those 30 to 40% pullbacks. Yeah, maybe. It's a fun ride. But the market, she fights back. She's a bunking bronco. Don't let her throw you off. Total 3 is getting a nice bounce for this weekend. Now, will it sustain? I'm not seeing this sustain. I'm honestly not, and I'm not trying to be bearish or anything, but look, 21's crossing bearishly over the 50. It's got to get a rejection there. I don't even know if I finished up my other point that I was making on Bitcoin about where it's going, but neither here nor there. I think overall we got the gist. So, interesting developments here for altcoins. This may require just another look here, the Fibonacci. We're bouncing at this 382 level. Now that tells me one of two things. It could be going on. I mean, this is typically bearish when we break this trend line, right? Except when it does that little thing where it rides its leg under there. I think those are actually ABC corrections of some sort. Or that this move is an ABC. If you're still in the whole alien wave thing. But I'm bouncing off this 382. If we don't break that 382, I'm not afraid of us going down further for that big retest that we talked about that we could get. But until we lose this 382 area, which is 450 billion, I'm not scared. And right now, actually seeing this breakout here. And we got a measure move that could take us up there. It looks like we are headed up before if we head down. It may be a start of another rise up on a different channel. This little head and shoulders. The big thing that I like to look at for head and shoulders is for this side to be smaller than this side. Because if you don't have that, well then you got this guy. Which is normally, it's a bearish pattern, but while you're in it, man, they can be fun. This is can I just get a straight line, please? Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why that took so long. So this, it's like those cones that you see on the dogs, man. But it can go a hellified distance up there to reach the top of it. They're very interesting. We've seen them show up on a lot of charts lately and play out just as well. So are we getting ready to do something crazy with altcoins? We got some nice first steps, but we're still in the green cloud. And to me, that means a lot. Those clouds are like, it's kind of an iffy time right now. And if you look closely at the moving averages, and I know I got a lot of lines on here, we can probably get rid of the fibs. That's a bearish cross, 21 over the 50 here on total 3 as well. I think we saw that also on Bitcoin, was it not? At least on total 3. But rest assured, if we lose this area, we're going down. But nice start to the upside for the weekend. Let's see if we got volume this weekend. I want to see this go up over this weekend. Is retail starting to come back? I think, is that what they're testing for? The market makers, are they testing for that right now this weekend? They set us up at a perfect spot to see. They have a habit of doing that, I noticed. Striga says Big Time might be doing something. Big Time needs to do something. I need price history. Is that the best you can give me? Oh, come on, Mexi, you got a hat. All right, well, we'll stick with Mexi. Looks like they got it early there. Okay. Let's take a look at that Big Tom here. Double bottom support here. Looks what it looks like. Right on the top of that wick. I'm not even going to erase that. I've been saying this is a good buy zone, and we're right there. This was a fine example of a triangle breakout, rising wedge breakout to the upside there. Parabolic, very parabolic. Notice there's no retest here on the daily chart. No retest in all of it. It's just like, I'm gone. It's like an alien abduction. That's some UFOs. Now Big Time has got the possibility to break out of this. Going from candle bodies right here because, well, candle bodies rule. And they touch on these candle bodies, so we're cutting through these wicks. Normally I would be here. That would be our first move. And so technically, yeah, we had a little breakout and coming back very lackluster because there's no volume there. Rode the leg down, or, you know, we were just kind of still in that broader area of that pattern too. Don't want to forget about these wicks up here, but right now, the bodies are where the strength is, and that's where it tells you. Partial decline here. Coming back, doing a possible double bottom type of situation before it starts breaking out. She is getting ready to break out. Channel breakout should take us up to this area right over here, about 54 cents. Where are you, my price tags? Where have you went? You're always disappearing on me. I'm quite interested. But is she going to make this breakout? Is it going to happen? I'm not seeing the volume. Where's my volume? There's a cross here of 9 over the 100 on the, I'm on the daily though. Lots of good buy wicks. I like that. This is solid. Does she have a chance to dip down just a few cents before she does take a breakout? This crossover there. We gotta check this out on the smaller time frames here. 4 hours looking promising. Still got a lot of work to do before she actually goes bearish, so I don't know. It's a great place for her to try to break out of this. It really is. But I gotta see some volume come in. It's gotta be some volume over here to make it stick. And this is a double bottom right here. Let's, you know, it could be a quick up or it could be, you know, a slow up. So we don't know that yet. I'm saying it'd probably be more of a slow up, just seeing how this 100 is still under that 200 moving average. That's kind of the, it's dragging us down, man. Just like a bunch of dead weight, man. Lighten up. Take a deep breath. So it may be kind of hard to pull that up. I think it's going to happen. It just got some baggage, man. Just got some baggage. Just some baggage on Big Time. Great prices though, 34 cents. Not bad at all. Not as great as down here at 15 cents. I never even paid attention to it back then. Much bigger move that could come from this. Well, nice possibility of a higher high. Let's also check our accumulation zones here. She is still technically in accumulation. So right off the bat, that's where I'm going to put my first targets. Yeah, you know, take a little bit of profit. 42 cents, and I've got to see her get above 42 cents before I want to look at her going some other places. Have another target at 55, back at 71. I'm really eyeballing this guy up here for just one of those moon boy targets. Is it moon boy? That's going to be your next high. If you get a higher high, I'm looking at this area. I know it sounds crazy until that one day in main camp, I shoved a fib right up there at the 127. What else might we have going on here? I need a bigger trend line. This is too localized. I like to zoom out just a little bit. Let's see what's going on. I'm not using this guy anymore. He's just there to confuse me. He's like, I'm just here to look important. I need the one that's actually doing something. That one looks like it's doing something. That one looks just like he's giving us a little something there. Even just play around with it here and touchy touch. There's a wick. It gives me a little leeway there, but oh, touchy touch, another wick. And some more touchy touch. I think we got enough touchy touches to make this a civil case, and we can move on. Ooh, am I touching good? Well, I'm touching here, right? Touch. Oh. It's also this idea. Prices in the channel, we've actually established the bounds, and that can give us a little hint that 64 cents could come into play there. Just kind of saying. Just throwing some things out there. Good old big time. Tonight gets me every time. Hey, we got DeFi guy in the house. How's it going, DeFi guy? Gotta give a shout out to DeFi guy. He mentioned A-Star fairly early in the game when I got in with A-Star. Still have that A-Star. A-Star, let's check you out. I'm on the 5-day chart. Let's just go to the weekly. Or 2 week. Let's go to the 2 week. Why is it so big? I mean, what can you say, man? That's awesome. Listen, we were looking at this thing. Oh, gosh, I don't even know. Double bottom. There's the butt crack. Measured move. And then some. And now what? Good question. Now what? We met all of our targets. We gotta start all over. For A-Star. She's at a toppy top, that's for dang sure. She went to a 2. I don't even have a fib on you at a 2.3 cents, 23 cents. Past her 618 there. Got a 2. That looks like a 2.5. I believe you are a 0.5er. Okay. I'm just trying to determine if she's going to actually try to make it up here. Do you have more juice in your tank? You got your rising price here, falling volume. That means this thing is starting to get tired, especially with those wicks here. So no, I'm not seeing that. Not just yet, anyway. That is a strong move for A-Star. If you're in this one long term, that is awesome. This is a good trend line. That's a good one to mark just for like a line in the sand. Which is what, 17 cents? We're at 19. Fall below that, it's a good time to, you know, at least pay yourself a little bit in case things start going south. But we also got some wicks giving us some ideas here. Look at that. And even breaking out of that wick, giving us some even more bullish ideas. You little sly dog, you. What you got on your mind, A-Star? What are you trying to do here? One, two. A-Star is wanting to rock. That is what it just told me. They start, what are you trying to do? I wanna rock! From his lips to God's ears. He started ready to rock, man. I don't know. That's what he said. He's looking a little motley. All right, hey, Star, do it. Where you trying to go to, buddy? Where you trying to hang out at? They're going to have a wick contest. That is what he's doing. They're having a wick contest this weekend. So A-Star is going to see if it can come up here to the 22 because that was the winner right back here on the 18th on Monday. So they don't want me topped out and overdone again. So I'm just saying they're going to go for 23. I don't know if they're going to make it, man, but he's going to shoot for it. Go A-Star. You got some balls there behind that wick. That's all I got to say. You got some competition right here. You're getting blocked. You're getting wick blocked on this weekend. That's what you gotta get above 18.6. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, you come down and look a little closer. Get that microscope out. Look here on the 1 minute or the 1 hour. Yeah. She's trying. She's wanting to. She's wanting to. There may be some pullbacks, but look, there's a golden cross coming on the 1 hour. Ooh, that's right at the 20 cent area. Yeah, you go. Might find a little, well, I'm expecting a lot of resistance right up here, but seeing the least getting to there. 20 cents out of A-Star. And then, oh man, if you break above that, it's on. That will be parabolic. Are you gonna... Meaning that she's probably not through with that move. Going to chase up to this area at 23. I thought you said it was going to be kind of bearish this weekend, Road Dog. You changing your tune on you, ain't you? I am on this one. This one's rocking. So if you're still going up, I got the wrong fib. I need to look over here. Yeah. I had the wrong fib, yeah. We're still going uppy. Well, let's talk about it. Screw that. Boom shakalaka. We're still in the up and up. Let's look at 22 and 27. You're looking for an area to buy. Look at 1846. Those will be the levels of retest and targets. Just a saying. It really did look like that was the toppy top, and it could be. And those other areas that we looked at might actually come into play, but until she breaks this trend line, I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it at all. It don't come into play until that trend line is broken, and it's not. So until then, we're looking at 22. Go A-Star. Can you check out Flux? Sure can. Bitmart is the first one that shows up here. Oh, it's Flux Bot though. There's Binance. Let's go with that one. And we've looked at that one before. Same pattern we just ran into. Ain't breaking that trend line, man. It's a good sign. And now you're above the 9 moving. But Road Dog, you're saying it's gonna be this is gonna be a roller coaster weekend. I think it will be. I expect things to go up and then I see things possibly coming down. It's okay. It looks good now. This is a cool pattern, man, because this one really they can shoot off to the top range. So that's, it's at least looking to come up here, 65 cents. 73, test the areas it was before, and then it moves past those, it's gone. I likes it. I got some. I needs to check on it. Don't even remember where I have it. She looks good. Looks really good. I don't like it being in that cloud. I don't like the red over here, but the moving averages are saying, baby, watch what we do. And I can't argue. There are times when you'll break out of a green cloud. It's just not the norm. It's not the norm. Still not out of the woods. Still got to get these moving averages over the 50s. So lots of sell pressure up there. Overall, I think she looks good and healthy. And DeFi also likes Phala. I haven't looked at Phala in a little while. PHA. What we got going on here? I got to zoom out. That's too noisy. There's a lot of noise there. There must be lots of coins in this. I think my Degen bag over at Mexi has some of this. We're in bottom territory. We need to get rid of all this noise. All right. This is looking good. Binder accumulation. Still in it, still under it right there. So anywhere under 17.35 is a great place to buy, in my personal opinion. Sometimes she taps as low as just a little under 8 cents, between 8 and 16 cents. If you can catch it there, you can even double it up in this accumulation zone. That's kind of cool. I'm just going to throw it out there. I'm not going to lollygag. I'm going to say that one. If you're in it, you're in it. Because you ain't playing a range trying to trade it. Well, I mean, unless you're out no small time frames, I guess you can. I think most people are holding it. 32 cents, 59 cents. Those should come rather quick once she gets out of accumulation. This territory should be reclaimed pretty quick. Might even start seeing this area right back up here around 82 cents. That's a little juicy place right there. So BitBoy came out with a video tonight at 15 microcap coins. There are a few on there that I wouldn't mind taking a look at. Some of them, maybe, I don't know. Bitcoin happened to be one of them. Go figure. And the coin behind Bitcoin, or so, I don't know. There is one that just keeps popping up though, and I have no exposure to this one, and I'm starting to wonder, should I? Because I keep seeing it pop up, and let's go someplace different. Let's go over to, make sure we're still plugged in on this guy. Let's go over to Token Metrics, check this little guy out. This coin I'm talking about is called LimeWire. And I think it's been around for a long time. Traders Values got it at buy. So kind of hot in the trading world, must be moving. The investor sentiment, market cap rank rather, is in neutral. It's got 109 million circulating supply. Total supply is 900.5 million. So about 10% of it is out there is what it's saying. Valuation grade's about 39%. This is where it's overbought or fair. So it's, she may be up a little bit over about, well, for us to catch and consider. I'm really considering, 50%. Anything 50% and above to be, I'll look at you. And the closer you get to 100, the more tempted I am. Maybe. I'm still on the fence about that one. Let's take a look at it though. She may have some trader value. Did we look at this one on the, we were on, oh well, that wasn't requested though. Okay. LMWR, LimeWire. Over on KuCoin, looks good. They probably had it early. I've already got some stuff here that, let's see if I zoom out, if I recognize it. But we definitely broke out of accumulation, that's for sure. Accumulation was up to this area, 25 cents, broke out above that, getting rejected or got rejected off the 618. Okay, let's go ahead and redo you. This goes all the way back to 23. I thought this was an older project, is it not? Maybe it's not. Okay. Okay, LimeWire at Tether. Oh, and KuCoin. We'll stick with that one. So we've got rejected at 55 cents. If we were lucky and we get another bump up, then I would definitely look at this here. It's 786. Why not? That's where she would be trying to go to. Find some rejection there, about 68 cents. If she can finally get past that and make it to level 5 Dark Lord. Up here at $1.07 before getting a big smackdown that could really send her right back down to about 55 cents. Thereabouts. An area to try to pick this baby up. I'm on the weekly chart here too. Yeah, it's down in this area around 36. Let's just say about 38 cents actually. Now that we got our guidelines established right there, we can come down to the smaller charts and figure this little girl out. From the weekly, let's just go down to the daily. What's going on the daily? You look embarrassed here on the daily. What's up with you? You lost your initial trend line. You're a little bit sad about that. I can tell. Makes you want to cry. Look like you're trying to come down and tap this 50. Will you actually tap it, or are you going to just bump and run before it? Got a little area that could be flipped from... Could make a little flip right there if you wanted to. I'm just saying. We got anything else that might suggest that? Well, that wasn't what I was trying to do. I got a 1, 2... a 3, can't make, that means it's a 1. So, but anyway, Fairy, you're moved to the upside for your 1 count, and you're moved to the downside, to the lower low is your 2 count. Now, we don't have a 3, because the 3's got to go up higher, and then your 4 can't come down and touch your 1. It can't touch your 1. If it touches your 1, it doesn't count. We got to keep going higher for a 1 count. Might be a big move, I don't know. May just be a bunch of hawkwalkie. Might just be a bunch of pedal puck. We're showing support here at the 382 Fibonacci. I like that possibility to come back down to the 618 area, which we tagged earlier. Will it happen? I don't know, but there is that possibility. I like to draw a trend line. That's why I like to zoom out here. Find that low there, find that line there, and then it kind of matches up there. So I'm saying, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think it's probably pretty kind of cool that you might come down there is what I'm kind of thinking there, Johnny. I think it looks enticing enough that, yeah, come down there for a vacation. I don't know, for the weekend. I don't know. Look over there, we're in the channel. Nine has crossed over the 21 on the daily, so the next one in order would be to come down and touch the 50, which is coming in also at the 0.5 Fibonacci. So by the time they both get up there, they might just kind of have a little clash. One of them's going to beat up the other one, then kind of thinking that the Bears might be winning on that one. I'm still running around this 37-cent area possible for LimeWire, but if you want to maybe look stupid, bounce before then go up. You know, I don't care. It's fine. Go up. I want you to fly. I mean, if we wanted to apply some kind of weird technical analysis here. It says that maybe down here would be another little area you might want to 40 cents. Just saying. Near AI, or XNA, was another one that was on BitBoy's list tonight. Do we need, he went over what he liked. Let's just look at the charts on them. These are low market cap. Most of them, a lot of them were, supposed to be under 15 million. A few of them were over, but not too bad. XNA, near eye. Let's check it out over here on MEXC. Ooh, she went up. What happens after you hit a target? Thereby, did I nail it? No. Or was that a trend line? May not have been a target. I don't know. I don't really have a target set. I'd draw a line. I don't know. I haven't looked at this one in a minute. I'm on the daily chart here. XNI, let's take a look over at Tokemetrics. Or XNA, near eye. How's it rated? It's rated, sell it, baby, sell it on Trader. Let's come down and check its, investors got it as buy. Oh, here's our tokenomics on it. 11 gazillion billion. 11 billion circulating supply. 11 billion total supply. Fully diluted valuation is 31 million. Market cap is also 31 million. So you're saying that the circulating supply is the total supply? Now, is that going to be the maximum supply? You're not telling me that. That's a good question. Thank you for sharing. I have no answer for that. I have to look on somewhere else. Valuation grade's 99.94. What'd I just say? 50 and above, closer you get to 99, more interested I am. I think people want a FOMO right now. I'm just... How you doing? Let's go take a look at this guy. XNA, what's up with you, baby? Hey, how you doing? See you down and out. Don't want to see you down and out. Oh, you flirted with my 0.27. Oh my God, I'm hearing voices from heaven. She's sweet talking me really bad right now. She is sweet talking me really bad. And I'm on a daily chart. I'm on a big time chart and she's sweet talking me. She's just now getting above that 9 moving average on the daily. This chart's actually speaking to me. It's saying, Road Dog! Road Dog! Looky here! I'm being severely tempted here on the daily chart. And on the 4-hour. Need I say more? Need I say more? Oh, stop with it, please. I need to figure out the shortcut for this thing. Is it H? No, it's not H. That's horizontal. You don't have, I'm starring you. Oh, and look, this shoulder is lower or less than this shoulder. Smaller. That's good. Smaller than the shoulder. That can work both ways. Yes. This shoulder is smaller than that shoulder. The right shoulder is smaller than the left shoulder, indicating that this one has a higher chance to break to the upside. A higher probability to break out. Has you got a better move on that? You want to lay it on me? Lay it on me. I'm not even counting those wicks. telling us we're going to come right back up here where we need to go at 0.0035. Giving us how much of a move? What do we got here? We found us one. We went fishing and we're getting it. I got to buy it. That's just 24%. That's $100, make it $25. I get paid to do the wild thing. It could seriously get rejected up there. I'm just saying. She's not out of the woods yet by any means. 200, 150 all down. But right here's the point where we begin to start flipping this. So if you want to play this as a man, we're at a bottom that looks good to try to get in on. Accepting the fact that there might be something weird happens that drags you back all the way down to this wick. 0.0012. Maybe up to a 50% drop. If you can hold on and be cool with that. Or maybe you can put a stop loss to where, hey man, I'm at least willing to say goodbye to this amount. I think you got a chance to make some money on this one. This is not financial advice. This is me freaking out of this chart because I'm trying to talk myself out of it, but I just keep talking myself into it. XNA, ain't you over on Mexi? What have I got going on over there? Are you on perps too? Spotty. Am I in you? Is there an Am I in you coin out there? There needs to be. That would be the next one. At least that one you can not feel like a total perv saying it. They should make it like a clever pickup line. That one would probably sell. Excuse me, in you?
I do. I actually do. I love that coin.
Then you're in. Hey nerds, did you hear that? That's the keys to the kingdom, man. You little developer trying to get laid in your snuzzy little chair.
Just shut up, Road Dog. Shut up right now. Stop going there. You're making it worse.
Back to XNA. Can I buy you? Do I have any money over here? You got some dry powder over here? You got some orders? Yeah. Yeah, I was saving that for Satoshi VM, but after seeing this. Okay, I can do that. Let's come down and check the 15-minute time frame. Above the 9 on the 15. 100 is getting ready to cross. When it does, could pull us down. It could. And it could just spoil our little breakout. It could. But I'm putting a nibble in right now. And then I'm going to target that 21 at 0.0027. That's just like, that's nothing, dude. From here, seriously, come on. Now just being anal about your price now. If I was on perps doing leverage, I would probably be that anal, but for this, screw it. Come on. I got you, baby. I got you. I see you. I'm going with it. I'm taking this one. I don't really have much dry powder left. It's a small one. These small ones can actually turn into something, so there we go. I jumped out there. Hopefully I won't get wrecked, but man, it's got so many good things there. It's worth it, even if and if you got a bail up here at 22%, whatever. It's a new thing, man. They're doing some stuff, so catching it at yes, I could exit at 25%. Or I could just freaking leave it the heck alone and let it come up here and give me a 3x or something. It may end up being a hot coin. Who knows? I don't know. All right, what's another one? The main reason that I wanted to get in on that, the biggest thing to talk me into that, where are you? Is this valuation grade right here being almost 100% undervalued. Market cap 31 million. Way too many tons. Maybe they'll do a burn or something. I don't know. Come over to the chat, see what's happening. Stricker says put ice in it. All right. Don't chase Stricker, you were born for this. All I know is chase. Oh, there he is. What is that? Ben in Say that too loud. Ben Armstrong will start that coin probably. Hey Cassie, want some Ben in you? Is that what you guys are talking about? This other one has been, this was on his list too, give him credit for saying it, but it's also been, he did his research for a lot of token metrics stuff, so I want to see what it actually says. Sakai, because I've seen it throw up a lot on a lot of the trader, and it looks like it's high on the trader list right now. As an investor coin, it's neutral. Valuation grade, question mark? Fundamental grades, right at 50%. Give it or take it. Comparable price correlation. Top 100 market cap, say, Sats, Celestia, Sweet, Internet, Computer. For what? Sakai Vault? That sounds like a DeFi play. That doesn't sound like one of those layer ones. Sakai Vault is now audited by Certec. Sakai Vault, you just tried perpetual exchange. That's right. This is the perpetual exchange one. Is this exchange coin? Perps, I think, actually on. Are you a layer? What layer are you? A layer one? That's what I want to know. Do you have your own chain? If not, whose chain are you own? You got a contract? I have no idea. Not as sold on this one. Just cause, you know. I mean, I'm sure it would do well, but it's just not. It's not jumping at. But let's see what the chart says. My bets are picky. Give it a chance. Give it a chance, man. Oh, by the way, where do I want to think that XNA will go? I'm always going to look at my 127. It's just a given. You should be able to tell that. Shouldn't even have to ask that. So, he knows it's going to go to 127. He always does that. I know it sounds crazy until that one day it gets there. And then I come out and then I make those videos and say, hey, you remember that one time when I said it was going up here? I'm hoping there'll be those days. I don't know. I haven't got to do that in a little while, though. Or I haven't done it in a while. I haven't made many videos at all. I've regurgitated some of this information, though. Nice little channel that we're in. Look at that for XNA. I mean, just bonus after bonus right here. Look. Channel, keeping that back, keeping that angle, pulling it down. We're supposed to be looking at another corner right now, too. Squirrel brain, I can't help it. But since it's inverted head and shoulders on the bottom here of a channel, I like that. But since we got this information, let's rock with it. What kind of target you give me? You can take this and then as we get up to here and actually make a breakout wherever that might be. If it does it sooner, then it happened in there. So potentially there might be another target. We'll just have to, it depends on where it breaks out. It could just lag, go this way, or it could just, right now we're going to say 0.0077. Little bonus target. We'll make this one wide. That way I'll know it's kind of neutral or needs to be adjusted. That price, that target is potentially 0.00777. Easy to remember that. Jackpot. All right, so what were we looking at? Sakai Vault. On, I guess, MEXC, because MEXC is on TradingView, and if other exchanges were on TradingView, I would be pulling them up too. Higher high, look at that. Look at that. Did you see that? You see that higher high? How accurate is my 127?
You're gonna look like an idiot. You're gonna look like an idiot. You're gonna look like an idiot. Well, you look like an idiot. It went through.
Sometimes it does. Sometimes it does go higher. I'm not saying that's why I got these others on here. Dude, I gotta figure out what this one, I keep seeing this play out here. What are you? Wait, let's just figure this out together here. If you're 4-1 and you're 6-1, you've got to be a 0.5. Color you gray, that's good. Boom. All right, we're adding 0.5 on there. Because I keep seeing it. I keep seeing between almost. We're doing it. We're taking a 0.5. We need that anyway for an extension. I needed more on that other funky extension. How'd you do on the fib trend based? How did you perform on this one? How many did you bump up? You went all, ooh, baby, do it.
Third wave is target is 618. Third wave, 1, 2, 3.
You went past that 1618. Elliot. Speaking of Elliot, let's see what Elliot has to say. Elliot says, oh my God, dude, we've got to chill on this one. We've got to come down. So Elliot says that we're coming down. It's going to 0. So KuCoin is going to 0. Elliot, is that why Crypto Savvy uses Elliot Wave all the time? I mean, jeez, Elliot, come on, man. So Elliot says we're all tuckered out on this little guy, that we can buy this one much cheaper and that we'll probably get a chance to. Let's see. I'm going to actually pull from here. See how things are. Ooh, 6. Yeah, I'll stick with that one. This is for a swing low to swing high. This whole impulsive move. Bounced off at 618 Fibonacci. That's a very good, very good. Means that we might be able to come up to the 414 area as maybe. Right now, though, we can do this. We pull a Fibonacci from up here, swing high. We can pull it all down and swing low right here. So we'll bounce off this. We'll bounce off the 236 area right here. I bounced off of it plenty of times. Yeah. Me and Monica used to go out here every now and then over to the 236. Yeah. Bounce around over there. Have a few cigars. I can't do him. I can't do Bill Clinton. Take some practice. Looky there. Did you break a trend line? You breaking a trend line? Sakai, you breaking a trend line? You already broke that trend line. She coming down. I agree with Elliot. She's coming down. I don't know. I forgot where he said, but I've already got a target. Did I don't. That was not there before, was it? Okay, we did you got bounced off of your 1618. So, you're doing the willy-nilly. You got me confused on that one. And now you did this one, and then you did that one. You can play your 618s just like this, swing high to swing low ad nauseum, trying to figure this stuff out. That actually looks cool. Big Picture says, man, it lost its trend line. You're losing the 21 moving average. You're in a green cloud. Good chance that you will come down to the lower time frame there. And I believe we got it right there. 473. If you come down there, Sakai, I don't see why I have you there. I'm actually looking for this. And this one. These two guys right here. My bad. We're looking for this leg here. This is the one that we're going to, our price action is going to be more in tune with. As far as mathematically, our ratios and our proportions are based upon this a swing a low, up to that to swing a high. I can't seem to grab that price label. 568, I think, would be good. Maybe I had something there, but I can't remember. And 397. So we get a pullback. Gotta look at that. Unless she gets like super mega freaking bullish, breaks back into this trend line and decides to surprise. Not quite seeing that happen just yet. Not yet. Not yet. Watch her close, though. What are you looking like on the 4 hour? Prices broke below the 200 moving average. All right, let's say this. It looks most likely like this is going to happen, but I still don't fully trust her just yet. I just don't. I'll tell you why, I just don't. On the 4 hour, 100 moving average is still skyrocketing. It was skyrocketing, but still going up and to the right. 200 right below it. 50 still there. Now they may cross or something, but this has still got some weight on the upside to keep us kind of up. So look for a possibility of maybe a bull trap. Just keep an open eye on that. If nothing else, there'll probably be a retest of this area before we come down. So let's watch for bull trap, and then after that, we can look to either short this baby down on the leverage, or just set some limit orders and catch it as it comes down here. This one might do some. This is not really at a great price, though. What's the deal with this one again? Sakai? Vault? I'm not sold on this one, I don't think. If it says you deserve milk and honey, road dog. Uh-oh, I lost it. Because, man, I didn't find a better way to do chat. Where'd you go, Haven? Haven! This is what I... Clear. Emojis. Now I lost the chat. It got a boomer sitting here running a stream. What do you expect? You deserve milk and honey, Road Dog. I can't imagine how much research you've forgotten, let alone all you've done. I forget things very easily. All the time. That's my wife. I'm surprised that I can pretty much make it to streams on time, just to be honest with you. I'm surprised that I can get to them at least 5 minutes earlier to start. Usually, mostly I can. If I were working a job, you would never see me arrive there 5 minutes early. I can tell you that. Just, it's a magical gift that I have with my ADD that I can always be late somewhere. Road Dog consistent. That's an amazing feat for Road Dog to be consistent, let me say. But so far with the streaming and stuff, I have been. I don't know. All right. It is 12:08, guys. I think we started at 11, wrapping up an hour. Might have time to do one more coin here. He mentioned one that I thought was kind of interesting called Grail, but I don't think it's available anywhere. That one seemed interesting. Camelot token. This one's got 100,000. Oh my God. Jesus, it's at 16 is $1,685. Yeah, I guess it would. $30 million market cap, 100,000 tokens. What is this? All-time high was 10 months ago. It was $4,643. All-time low was a year ago at 149. Wouldn't that have been sweet? It's available on KuCoin, Bitmart, PingX, Gate.io, BitGet, Camelot. Oh, it's a DEX apparently, I guess. Camelot. No, this is the this is like Augur, like Rep, the one that's dead, right? The predictability thing. Is that what it is? Where'd you go? Oh, it's the Arbitrum one. I get this stuff mixed up. That's why I got it. Pretty sure this is one. It was an Arbitrum project that interested me. He said it looked like a game, but it's not. It's an actual DEX. Camelot is an innovative, highly flexible DEX built on the support of Arbitrum ecosystem. The fact of it being on Arbitrum's got me interested. Loading contracts data. From your ETH? What can we trade here? Acid? They got acid. Oh Lord, don't let him buy acid. Oh Lord, no, you never get him. Oh, now chart? Oh Lord, no, don't let Road Dog don't let him buy acid with the charts. And they got bonk. They got a lot. So all the Arbitrum stuff, I guess. Okay, interesting. I don't know if that's the one I was, we'll look at it. X and A, I think it was, it may have been LAI, maybe the layer AI I was looking at. I'm not sure. I played that one before and I wasn't impressed with it. Cam. Grail, let's track it over on KuCoin. On the weekly. How's the chart looking? Projection off of the 382 fell below the 236, meaning that we possibly could be in accumulation if we can't bounce above this non-moving average here, which looks like we're really flirting with losing it. Signs are saying here that baby, we're coming down. Possibly. Just trying to confirm. So I'm going to say that this area right here is the very top level of our accumulation. $21 moving average on the weekly is also lining up really nice here with our 618 Fibonacci, giving us a little confluence that we might actually head down there. If nothing else, maybe the 21 will head up to the 0.5 Fibonacci at 1453. That wasn't what I was trying to do. Nor was that. If she can, and she might, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really think she's getting a pullback, and then possibly making another move to the upside there. Let's go down to the daily. Look at you. What are you doing? Let's get the Fibonacci off the screen. Draw a trend line. Broke that retest, and moving averages are suggesting. Keep an eye on this one. I do look for lower. You've already hit that target there. This is coming up close to the 200 moving average, making this one seem, you know, a little bit more probable. I'd look for a retest of that 200 moving average on the daily, it appears. Stochastics are kind of high, showing some bullish divergence. It is showing some bullish divergence. Okay, then we'll watch this one. If she starts breaking up back into the trend line, then it's good to go. Go heavy, because that would be a bear trap. Anytime you see a bear trap, it's usually a good time to just go hard. Get back into the pattern after a bear trap. Go hard, because they usually run. But look for it to come down too. Interesting, Grail. Okay. Is acid stickers LSD? It should be. Should be. It really should. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll be back again tomorrow night. Take a look at some more of these coins. Maybe I've got a list. I've got things, and whatever you guys want to take a look at too. Trying to find some hot ones that may play out. I don't know. We came across a few tonight. Oh, I FOMO'd into one of them. Which one was it? X and A. I thought it looked kind of hot. Some of them. This one looks interesting, but I'm not sold on this one just quite yet. If you can, hit that like button before you exit the building, please, to help Elvis.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Helps this tiny little channel reach a bigger audience. Notice it finally was starting to get a little bit more in the subs. Videos used to get them. The videos will bring them in, but I don't do that many videos. Live streams, I don't know. It just doesn't really reel people in that much. I think you get more information from the live streams, man, and you can ask questions. But hey, I'll make snippets. That's fine. Good night, everybody. Thanks for being here. I'll see you tomorrow night. And watch carefully. But I would say pay yourself if you get the chance, though. Good night. Good night. Oh my gosh, is it gonna make it, Joe? What? That was the wrong button to push. My gosh, watch, look at them go. Look at them go. Oh, they're chanting. That's oh no. Oh, I feel like I'm just missing it all.
Gary was a man who thought he could do crypto sharing at the SEC. Gary fooled us all. We thought he was a hero teaching blockchain at MIT. Well, get back, Lord, get back and leave crypto alone. Get back, Lord, get back and leave crypto alone. Get back, Gary.
Come on, come here, bud. Come on. You freaky dog. I don't need to analyze every word that comes out is a lie. Make it look like you're so ice.